Good morning, Kansas. Look at this, guys. Look at this. How many inches is this snow right there? It's like 7-8 inches. And look, this is not even, this is shallower than that, so which means that's actually deeper. And earlier today I came out here and plowed this area, and now look at how it looks like, guys. So okay, I'm gonna take these kids here later on and clean the pathway, but for now I'm gonna walk through this. And then, oh no, it's windy, snowy, and everything which comes with it. Look at that. I don't even think that it's possible for anybody to drive in this kind of weather, but from what I see on the news, some people are still driving. I don't know how. Look, we are out of business today, literally relaxing at home and everything. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful truck. Just sitting here, not making any money. Sitting out here, not making any money today. So, okay, so I'm gonna try to make my way through to my chicken coop. Then I'm gonna check on my chickens. I did put a small here. You can't even breathe out here. I did put a small heater in the chicken coop, and I'm gonna check whether the water is still warm. And maybe, you know, I came out here earlier today and plowed all these. Now it's double the size. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna check on my chickens, make sure they're still alive. Holy cow! So this is my chicken coop. There's more snow than anything. Oh, look at that! The chickens are still alive. The reason why I'm here is because I wanted to check on the water to see if it's still cold and it's not frozen. So that's a small heater I put up here. You really don't have to put heaters on chickens because they don't actually freeze or anything like that, in case you guys are wondering. But this water heater, this water is plugged in, so this base is warm. It keeps the water from freezing. And of course, they have eaten almost all their chicken feeds. And for those guys who are curious, chicken do not freeze in a storm, all right? I picked up the eggs earlier today when I came, but guys, chickens don't freeze, all right? Just make sure they have water, make sure they have food, and they will be fine. Look, happy chickens. Well, next year I will make a door for them out here, but this was a rush, what they call a rush chicken coop, right? Anyway, guys, let's try to make it back to the house. Don't you guys like this? My dumpster sitting out here, not making me anything.